Hello everybody, here I have my peace lily and I'm going to be repotting it just to a little bit bigger, not too huge, just a little bigger pot. You can see the pot is probably the 6-inch, so it's not really much. It's a bit bigger but not tremendously. Now I'm going to take out all these dry leaves out. Since it was facing to the bright light, it's looking so beautiful this side because it's facing to the brightest side. Behind it was drying out a bit, so we're just gonna remove all that, and I'm just gonna fast forward that piece. It's gonna bloom. There's one bloom about to come out there, and I saw another bloom right here. There's another bloom right there. Once I repot this, I will be getting way more blooms. So let's get to repotting this beautiful peace lily, but first we're gonna take out the dry leaves. Okay, done. Now to put some soil in this pot. I got some perlite here. Just mix it with some more perlite. I know it has already this potting soil, but I like to put a little more. Alright, so now it's ready to put in this plant. So we're gonna take it out carefully. Just squeezing the sides like that. Just turn it around and squeeze a little. And then just put it upside down and take it out. And there is my plant. It is root bound. And there we go. So now to fill it with more soil all around it. That's it. Simple as that. And there we go. It's repotted. Now to clean this mess up. It's so beautiful. It likes the spot it was in. It's right in the corner of the back door, which it gets a lot of light, and it seems to like it in that corner, so it will go back in that corner so it doesn't get sad on me. It will go back in the same spot. My friends, if you're new, subscribe. Click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below. Thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.